Students face a great problem in their life. Not only the students but also the old people suffer from this. And the issue is also very common to us. The issue is effective time management. We all know that time management is necessary for success in life. But we don't know that how to create an effective time management plan. So I am going to teach you a secret trick to create an effective time management plan. So let's get started. Number 1. Note down your daily activities and organize them according to their time of occurrence. It will help you to place all your works into your plan. Now open a notebook or your computer or smartphone, no matter what it is. It is to make the plan. At first, place all of your works to the time you want to perform it. You should plan your next day before going to bed. It also helps to make your plan effective. Now we are going to discuss about the secret trick for making your time management effective. This trick is proved by human psychology. The name of this trick is paper-pen strategy. To apply this trick, we need 2 boxes. One should be empty and another will be filled with paper pens. In the morning, when you finish your first work of your list, take one clip and put it into the another empty box. After your second attempt, take another clip and continue this process. Now the question is, what is our benefit by following this trick? According to human psychology, humans like success. When someone gets succeeded, he becomes motivated to work more. The same thing happens to you in this case. How? When you are looking that your progress box is becoming heavy, it will motivate you to avoid the breaking of your progression chain. And this is our benefit. It makes your works easier to perform, and it transforms your poor time management to an effective one. So at first, change your mindset. Take a strong decision to improve yourself. Your one strong decision can change your whole life. So change yourself and you will find that progress has become automatic. Maybe we will discuss on automation in another lecture. I hope that you will apply this trick in your life, and I wish you success in your attempt. Good luck.